I got a new hair tool and I am super excited to try it out. It is by Stylecraft. Really great and informative packaging so far. I'm thoroughly impressed just with the packaging alone. Hey, friend, this is your reminder. Use heat protectant before you curl your hair, before you put any kind of heat on it, before you walk outside in the sun. Use your heat protectant. It is important. Very important. This is my favorite. You don't have to use this one. Make sure you use one. Just for transparency purposes, I did add in some dry shampoo as well. Start with like a small section to the side. We're going to start with this small section. Go in and spray. My favorite hairspray is the Ultra Fine Hold from Tresemme. If you haven't used it, you can't tell I'm a Tresemme girl. I use their heat protectant. I use their hairspray, all of the things. I don't know why my section is not being good, but anywho, Tresemme, if you're watching, sponsor me, friend. Let's get together. So I'm going to take my Stylecraft, and if you have never used a barrel with the clamp, you want to start about mid-range in your hair and then just start curling up. Start curling from the bottom up. You're going to damage your hair, even if you have heat protectant on, just because the ends of your hair are more likely to get singed. They are the furthest from the root and they don't get the most moisture. You want to work smarter, not harder. Like just watching how easy it glided through. Really high hopes. Just gonna let it dangle. Y'all. Okay. Cute. She a cutie. I mean, look at that. Kim Kardashian who? No, I'm kidding. Anyways, let's do a face framing piece just because I feel like that's what this barrel is going to be best for. I love using 1.5 inch barrels to do what I used to call my bangs. I don't have them anymore after cutting my hair. I'm apostolic. But when I did have bangs or with my front pieces, I like to use the bigger barrels. I just think they work better. Like, it's a personal preference. I have no science behind it other than the fact that I just like it. So let's test her out. I really am impressed with like how easy this has been to glide through. Oh yeah, 100%. Look, she cute. She cute. Okay, just wanted to show y'all like this down here, right? You take this, it swivels on it. Isn't that so cool? I'm like finding new features as I use it that I'm like super happy with. And there you have it. Front section done. But I mean, look at that. Stylecraft, you're gonna want it. I'm gonna put the link in the caption, a comment, description, wherever she will go. Be sure to grab yours. Just for reference, I have this one on about 420, 430, and like I said, I have thick, naturally curly hair. Yeah, the results speak for themselves. Super cute. Thanks so much, Stylecraft. I love it.